Hello students, good evening, and I'm going to be teaching you how to achieve the drapes on this cup. This was actually my first time, but let's get right to it. So all I did was to pleat a fabric, and then I used the Duchess fabric right here. I pleat it on one side, and then I made sure I ironed it well. You make sure you pleat it along the stretchy part of the fabric. If you're using a bridal satin, I would suggest you cut it on bias green so as to achieve the stretchy part. The stretchy part is important so that it can fold over your cups well without gaping. So I hope you can see the process clearly. So now I have finished ironing everything, and then it's time to place it on our cup. So now I'm just going to run a stitch along the part where I want the drapes to start from. As you can see, just run a stitch on one end, and then when you're done with that, you run a stitch on the other edge. At the same time, you pleat the fabric. You pleat it tightly, it's very important. And then I'm done with that, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to cut off the excess. Now can you see? We're going to cut off the excess now, and voila, our cup is ready.